Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching on fundamental quantity. So guys, no confusion, just pay attention so you won't miss out on any details. So let's start guys. Have you ever wondered why we measure length? Length in meters, mass in kilogram, and time in seconds, and how quantity like speed and force suddenly appear from them. In this video, I'll break down fundamental quantity in the simplest way possible, no confusion, just understanding. So first, you will ask, what are physical quantity? Physical quantities is anything that can be measured and expressed with a number or a unit. That is the simplest form. That is the simplest way to define physical quantity. For example, if we have something like this, we have length 5 meters. We also have mass. Then we have time 10 seconds. These are examples of physical quantity. Now, since you already know what physical quantities are, let's now go further. What is fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities are basic quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. They are independent. We have 7 fundamental quantities. I am going to write it down here for you to know them. So follow through so you won't miss out anything. 7 fundamental quantity. Okay, let me draw a table to make it more understandable. We have quantity, we have symbol, we have SI unit. So what are these 7 fundamental quantity? Number 1, we have length. The symbol for length is m. The SI unit of m, remember I said is meter. So meter. The second one, we have mass. The symbol is capital M, and the SI unit is kilogram. The third one, we have time. The symbol capital T, and is measured in seconds. We have the fourth one, electric current. The symbol, and is measured in ampere. The fifth one, we have temperature. This is the symbol and is measured in Kelvin. The sixth one, amount of substance. The symbol is capital N and is measured in mole. Then the last one, we have luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. This is the symbol, and this is the SI unit. So these are fundamental quantities. So these are the building blocks of all other quantities. From here we have derived quantity, which I will discuss in my next video. So remember this, fundamental quantity are the root of physics. If you understand this, physics becomes more easier for you. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any class. And guys, after this video I am going to make another video on derived quantity. Please don't miss out. Thank you.